Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming who owns the content and what rights you actually have. This matters because Facebook enforces owner claims. Once you identify ownership, secure proof, a license file, an email, or a release, and store it where you can access it fast. Make sure to note exact timestamps and content ID when a clip is part of a longer work. This prevents later disputes. If you rely on public domain or Creative Commons, double-check the version and any attribution requirements. Next, prepare the file to match your permission. Trim or mute parts not covered and label timestamps so you can prove scope. Then upload through the channel that gives you control, Rights Manager if eligible, otherwise a normal upload with detailed metadata. Include in the description who owns the work, the license type, and where your permission is stored. This helps moderators. Once uploaded, monitor notifications and keep the original proof handy in case a claim appears. Finally, if a strike or takedown happens, act quickly. Submit your proof through Facebook's claim or dispute flow and explain why your permission covers the contested portion. If you truly own the rights, use a counter notice carefully. Remember that filing false claims has legal consequences. Make sure to track timelines and keep all correspondence and licenses for at least 2 years. If issues persist, contact the rights holder to negotiate or seek legal advice. This usually resolves conflicts faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.